What's good, T Money fam? I'm back with another video. This video is not like my normal videos, not like my vlogs or my how-tos or my regular videos. Disclaimer: if y'all see me like touch my nose frequently, it's just because I put this new piercing in and it hurt. Well, I just got a new ring because I lost my other one, but it hurt. So wait 1 second now. But today we have some shoes that I got from this online place, this online website, which I really recommend. 10 out of 10 would recommend if you a little don't got the funds right now and you need a little doopy doop, a good doopy doop. I got you. The link will be down below. And I got a little surprise for you at the end of the video, so make sure y'all stay tuned so I can let y'all know the surprise. Y'all gonna wanna hear it. But without further ado, make sure y'all subscribe, like, comment, and share. We're on a road to 1K. We currently at 680 something right now, 682. I don't know for sure. I was gonna do this promo within the video, but no, these shoes are too fire for me to do that. I'm gonna do a whole video without it. You feel me? So these are the Off-White Dunks Lot 27. It comes in the box. I don't know what the real box looks like, but this is the box. Got the sizing and everything. Got the holes. I really mess with the box. And also another disclaimer: I did wear these about twice, so if you see like a dirty mark, don't mind them. It's not gonna be that dirty, but like don't mind it. It didn't come like it came clean as ever, so don't. But it's the box. As you can see, it has like the lot numbers, -25 like I said. Open it and we have this really nice packaging. My other Dunks did not come like this. It came in a normal box, but open packaging. It says this. Ooh. Yeah, open it. Boom, bada boom, bada bam. We got the shoe. Let's just get into the shoe real quick. These are the Off-White Dunks. Don't know like the colorway. Can I like focus on the shoe? I'll just focus it. But yeah, it says, like I said, these are the lot 25 out of 50. So it shows it on the shoe. It's the back of the shoe, the side of the shoe. Got the like little wording, whatever you want to call it. The little tag. These are actually comfortable. These are size, I think 10.5. Yeah, this is a US 10.5. So if you was to cop, you would get a 44.5. Yeah, because I wear size 10.5. But this is both of them put together. Only one has a tag. If y'all already know, it only comes with one tag in the shoe. It even has the like thing where it says shoelaces. None of this is gonna focus. I don't know why, but I really like the colorway. I wanted a dunk that I could wear with low-key anything. I needed a solid color, very neutral color dunk because I have my red ones. But this is it up close. Boom, boom. And I really like this cyan teal green looking color. I don't really have much to go with the green, but I do wear this shoe, like I said, twice, and I got it last week. Let me show y'all the other shoe. This is the sole, if y'all wanted to know. Like I said, I barely want it. That's how you can tell it's like not even dirty. My fault. We have this tag. I don't know what this tag is here for. I don't know if the other ones really got the tag, but I just left it on there. This is the inside of the shoe. It got the, I don't know what that's supposed to be. I'm not really, this is my first Off-White, so I don't even know what that's meant for. But yeah, this side also has the Off-White with the lot 25 and then the writing. Overall, this just is a really good shoe. I really don't have nothing really much to say about it. Just wonderful, magnificent. It's very eye-catching, eye-appealing because all the extra laces. The website is called yepkicks.ru. I will tag everything at the bottom. That was all that came inside of the box, but they did give you, well, they did give me like extra shoelaces. So they're thick laces like the extra laces, low key, but a different kind of material. But yeah, this is the shoe. I recommend the shoe. I'm not gonna even cap it to you. I recommend it. Everyone always stops me and compliments the shoe. Off-white. Now, I haven't seen anyone with these at my school, so. And sorry if you really can't see them. The light from outside is kind of like taking away the effect of the shoe. But I will do like a shoe. I will show the shoe off somewhere else, and I will be putting fits on together with this shoe. So don't. Y'all will see fits with the shoe on at the end of this video, so stay tuned. But for real, y'all, I ain't got much to say left. Get the shoe, cop something else off the website. If you do see something, they got Balenciagas, they got Dior's, they got them Converse looking shoes are like ripped kinda. They got New Balances, they got Jordan 4s. If y'all want the black hats, get the black hats. They got all the shoes you can pick up. Like I said, it will be in the description below. I will send the WhatsApp of the lady. And like I said I have a surprise for y'all, and the surprise is if you do shop with yepkicks.ru, you will get $15 off using my code Tyler. That's the code. Y'all see the code. Just use the code Tyler, and you can get $15 off your order. These I believe was $150. I think $150 or $155. I don't really know for sure. They even got Dior. I mean, not Dior's. Ricks on there. They even got Ricks on there. I know y'all be wanting Ricks. So go ahead, get the dupes. Like, just look at the shoe. Just look at the shoe. Okay. But yeah, y'all. I'ma show fits with this shoe right now. Boom. Let's give it up for the fits. You did amazing. But that's the end of the video, y'all. Make sure y'all subscribe, like, comment, and share. And stay tuned for the next video. I will be trying to drop videos for y'all soon. More back to back, but I have been getting a bit busy, so sorry if y'all are looking for my videos and I haven't. But y'all can also follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. I do post on there frequently. So yeah, that's my Instagram, Tyler Parker, and then my TikTok is not.official Tyler. But that is the end of this video. I hope y'all like it. And shout out to yepkicks.ru. Love y'all a lot. We'll catch y'all in the next video.